green smoothies that actually taste good. Hello and welcome back to Top Notch Delicacy. Green smoothies get a rap for tasting bad, but being super healthy. But if you do them right, green smoothies can actually taste good along with being healthy. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the best green smoothie recipes. Stay tuned. Lean and green. Smoothies and juices are fantastic to drink first thing in the morning to really liven up your day. However, some folks think creating a smoothie in the morning is too much work, but not with this recipe. We suggest juicing green apple, lemon, and kale together for a refreshing morning juice. If you have a sweet tooth, you can add a tablespoon of honey to this juice to really round it out. Don't add sugar because it's not really helping if you wish to start healthy early in the morning. Banana apple goodness. The blog Verified Mom has a delicious juice that's going to make you wonder why you haven't been drinking it for years. All you need is 1 banana, 1 green apple, 2 cups of spinach, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 cup of water, and some ice. If you're looking for a creamier version, swap out the water and ice and use almond milk instead. You'll just need to meal prep the ingredients into freezer-friendly bags so that when you're ready for a smoothie, all you need to do is pull out a bag and blend. Spinach and banana with a spin. Drinking spinach doesn't seem to be on many people's to-do lists. However, the baker upstairs has an awesome recipe where you get the nutrients from spinach without tasting it too much. You'll need a cup of almond milk, 1½ cups of spinach, a frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of honey, and some ice cubes if you prefer. Dump these into a blender or food processor and enjoy. Avocado Dreams. Avocado has really become the fruit of our generation. For whatever reason, we're all obsessed with guacamole and avocado toast these days, but it's for good reason. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber. Knowing how much we love avocados, Beauty Health Fitness has a recipe incorporating the fruit, making our smoothies extra creamy and delicious. All you'll need is 1 avocado, a handful of spinach, and 1 to 2 cups of almond milk. If desired, you can add some cucumber, green apple, or honey to make this smoothie your own. Pineapple ginger sunrise. On those days where we can't travel to the tropics, we can at least feel like we are by drinking this fruity and green smoothie from BuzzFeed. With a healthy combination of fruits and veggies, this smoothie is more than filling. Grab a cup of frozen pineapple, 1 frozen banana, 1/4 of a cucumber, 1 tablespoon of matcha powder, 1 piece of ginger peeled, and 1¼ cup of coconut water. The combination of ginger, veggies, and coconut water is also great for belly bloat. Mango spinach mornings. Wallflower Kitchen knows the way to our heart with this mango green smoothie. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, and oh so tasty. Head to the kitchen and grab 2 cups of frozen, cubed mangoes, 1 cup of spinach, 2 green apples, pid, a small piece of fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of hemp protein, 1 teaspoon spirulina powder, 1½ cup of almond milk. Blend and drink happily on your way to work or on a Sunday morning after a workout. Clean and green smoothie. This is certainly celebrating life with this tasty drink, and it's packed with 5 green fruits and veggies, plus some peaches and mangoes. In your blender or processor, blend a cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of kale, 1 green apple, 1 kiwi, half a cucumber, and a cup of frozen peaches or mangoes, or both if you'd like. To save time on preparing this smoothie, try preparing it all the night before and throwing it in a freezer bag overnight, or until the next time you want to drink it. Going green smoothie. This smoothie is filled with healthy and nurturing juices that will make any person shine from the inside. In fact, the site makes it so easy to make a juice or a smoothie out of any ingredients you have in your fridge or freezer. For this smoothie, you'll need 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of spinach, 2 teaspoons of cacao nibs, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a dash of cinnamon. If you take a form of powdered protein that would go well in this smoothie, go on and add it. Peachy. It's time to get peachy with this fruity green smoothie recipe, packed with antioxidants. This easy smoothie can be made in just 5 minutes or quicker if you meal prep. You'll need half a frozen banana, half a frozen peach, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 cucumber, chopped, 1/3 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of spinach, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. It's flavorful, packed with nutrients, and low in calories. The tropics. When autumn and winter hit, we're excited to wear cozy sweaters again, but we're also missing the warm sun. The little Epicurean brings us back to those summer days with this cheery smoothie recipe. You'll need a handful of spinach, 1 frozen banana, 1 frozen mango, cubed, a cup of frozen pineapple, and some coconut water to blend down. Boom, you have summer in cup. Thanks for watching.